Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. I hope that you join me today as I open a subscription box from Potomac Beads. I think Potomac Beads did such a good job this month with this Arctic Aqua Treasure Box. It does have a crisp and frosty feel. We're going to look at everything. This is most of the items in the box, but not everything. There were also these Athena cast eye pens that came in the box. And something really practical. Do you know what these are? These are thread tamers. So you would wrap this around your spool of beading thread, fish your thread through that little eye there, and keep everything nice and neat. 5 of those are included in this month's box. Now let's take a good look at all these beautiful beads. There are some gemstone chip beads. These are white agate. Measuring that out to about 16 inches. And there's 4 of these lampwork check beads. They're a fluted long oval. They're saying it's a cloud gray. Has just a little streak of shimmer in it. And they're 12 by 20 millimeters. And there are all these 4 millimeter bicone crystals. This icy blue color is called Blue Flare. I like how they included so many in this box that you could really do something with it in your project. And then these beautiful blue bibow 2-hole beads were also included. And you can see that you have so many of them. And look how precious these check snowflakes are. You can see that they just kind of catch the light on that flat table cut surface. And again, that's something that you have a large amount of. And I really like how this baby blue luster storm duo bead is almost a neutral when it comes to blues. They're very pretty. You get 80 of those. And look at the pretty color in these aqua opal spike beads. You can really tell that they're an opal. Really cool bead. They're 5 by 13. You get plenty of those. And a large tube of these Miyuki seed beads in the sky blue Ceylon finish. They're a size 8. And I think this blue would pair perfectly with silvers or golds. It's such a pretty color. And there's some 3 millimeter round beads. These check glass beads are smooth round. They're just a cute, dainty little bead. You get a pack of 100. They're always going to come in handy. And there's also 3 millimeter faceted crystal AB ones here. This turquoise blue, it is really pretty. It's a cute bead. These are just an awesome bead. Very colorful, but not overly saturated. It's nice to have a cube that's not a crystal. And did you see these adorable gingerbread men? These are Athena cast gingerbread men charms. There's 2 in the package. And these check glass polar bear beads. They're in an opal AB finish. And you get 2 of those this month. And this check glass snowflake cabochon, along with the snowflake laser cut wood die ornament. So thanks for taking the time to look at these beads with me. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.